How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
Where are you from?
Me, I'm Canadian. How about you?
I'm from South Africa.
South Africa. Nice.
Where are you going to?
Man, I'm just walking. How about you?
We'll walk with you.
Why?
We want to walk.
Why do you want to walk with me?
We like you. Walk with you.
Why do you like me?
your
Tell
height.
me.
You are so tall.
I'm small. I'm small.
No,
The
you're
same
so
as
tall.
you. Where are you guys from in South Africa?
Yeah, from Cape Town. From Cape Town.
Cape Town. Nice. Oh, awesome. I've never been there before. What, do you like Malaysia?
Malaysia is nice.
Sorry? You're not from Nigeria?
Huh? You
You're
are
not from
what?
Nigeria?
No, we are not from Nigeria.
You guys, your accent, you sound like you're from Nigeria.
No, we are not from Nigeria.
Huh?
You have been to Nigeria before?
No, but I know a lot of Nigerians. I'm from Canada. There's a lot of Nigerians in Canada.
You here for vacation?
Yeah, vacation.
For how many days now?
I don't know. Not that many left. But have a good night, okay?
I still don't understand the reason for lying, for saying they're from South Africa in Cape Town. You could have just said, I'm a proud Nigerian. I'm from Nigeria. I'm here in Canada. You know, I'm doing whatever I'm doing. You know, at the end of the day, we all need to hustle. I'm not here to judge anyone. But for you to lie, to say you're from South Africa, it says a lot about you guys, you know. People always have this thing of saying, if you're from Nigeria, people, they're going to look at you and say, oh, you're from that country, and then they're going to start dragging you. But to say that I'm a good Nigerian, there are a lot of good Nigerians out there, people that are doing so well. Some of them, they are doing 9 to 5. They have a career in other countries, are doctors, lawyers, teachers. Not all Nigerians are doing bad things, guys. You know, not all South Africans are doing good things, guys. There are South Africans that are doing bad things. So for them to lie, you know, I don't know if they are trying to ruin South African reputation, or for them to say that we are from South African. Maybe the guy could have taken them seriously, or maybe, you know, because they can see that they are selling something, guys. I don't know what they're doing, but there's something that they're doing, these ladies, guys, because they can see, they say we can go with you, you know, or anyway. You know, they don't care where the guy is going. They don't care who's this guy. They don't even know this guy. This guy, you can see, is just doing some videos. He's in Canada. He say he lives there, guys. But for you to say it's okay as a woman, it's okay, let me go with you. What are you doing in other country? Unless you are doing something that you're not telling us. As you all know, right now, the current situation in South Africa against other African countries, guys, there's a lot of things that's going on due to the March and March. We all know that on the 30th of June, South Africans are expecting people that came here in South Africa not legally to leave the country, guys. If you don't have the right document, South Africans are saying, oh, we are tired, we need you to leave. So there's a lot of dragging each other, and especially Nigerian guys. The Nigerians are saying, go to South Africa. You guys are not good people, guys. I've seen a lot of people from Nigeria. They don't understand the situation that is happening here in South Africa. They're saying other people in other countries are suffering here in South Africa. Everyone is suffering in South Africa. If you come to South Africa, you understand the situation, guys. You know, people are not saying, oh, go, just go. But if you are doing the right thing, if you are adding some skills that South African they don't have here in this country, you can stay. You know, they are not saying just everybody leaves. So people act as if South African are saying everyone are bahambe, we don't care about anyone. They are just saying those who came with wrong documents. There are people that are using other people's document here. They are using South African document. They are doing crime. They are doing all the kind of shandy in South Africa, and now you want South African to keep quiet. Other country, guys, you know, you don't do what you are doing in South Africa. Other country, you respect them, you respect their laws, you follow whatever they are telling you, guys. In some other country, if they tell you that you're gonna stay 7 days and then you have to leave after that 7 days, they expect you to leave. The police, they're gonna come to your house. You know, this lady from South Africa, she was saying what is happening in China, guys. You don't just do things in China. There's a rules that you need to follow. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe.